I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make sure that you have a document saved to OneDrive that you can share with someone else, either a collaborative document that both of you are going to work on, or something that you want a partner to edit and give you some feedback on, and then how they can share that information back with you. If you have written your essay in Microsoft Word on your desktop, you want to make sure that it is saved in your OneDrive and that your OneDrive is syncing to the cloud. So you want to do File, Save As. You want to select OneDrive for Spartanburg School District 3. And then you want to select the appropriate folder for your teacher's class. That way you'll know where it is when you need to come back to find it. Whenever you have saved your work to the cloud or to the OneDrive, you want to close out the Word document on your desktop. So you want to actually close that out and make it go away. Then you want to open Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or whatever web browser you are using, and you want to sign in to Office 365. If you have not already made this a favorite in your bookmarks bar, you need to do that now. If you're in Google Chrome, you just click the star and you select that you want it to go to your bookmarks bar and you click done. If you cannot see that, you come over here to the three little buttons or three little hot dogs and you go down to bookmarks and you make sure that show bookmarks bar is checked. So the great thing about saving things to the cloud is that instead of having to go to OneDrive and instead of having to look all over the place to find it, if you know what the title of that essay is, you can just type it here in your search for your document. So the sample essay that I'm using is Lord of the Flies. So I'm just going to Google it. Well, actually, not Google it. I'm going to search within my OneDrive and all of my online information, and there it is, my Lord of the Flies sample essay. So when you open a document in Word Online, it is a lot easier for you to collaborate and to share this document with someone else. This could be an outline for a project, it could be a PowerPoint, it could be an essay that you want a partner to edit and give you some feedback on before you turn it in. But any of these documents that you open in the online version of Office 365, if it's your document and you have rights to it, you should see a share button. When you click on share, it will bring up some options for you to invite people, get a link, and to show you who you're already sharing with. If this is an essay that you just want some feedback on, or if it's a document that you and one or two other people are working with, it's just as easy to invite people as it is to send them a link. And to invite people, you just start typing in their name. Sometimes it takes just the first name, or sometimes you have to type the first and the last. And you select their name. You may also want to send them a message. And you just click share. Notice that the document that I am sending and the person I am inviting, Ms. Dr. Parker, I am allowing her to edit this document. That means that I'm giving her power and control to make changes. If you're worried that your partner might accidentally delete all of your work, you can send them a view-only edit or a view-only version of this document. And that way they would have to save a copy of it to make any changes. And your original copy would be still intact. So I just click share, and Dr. Parker will actually get an email inviting her to open that document. When Dr. Parker opens the document, she will not be able to edit it. It will only allow her to open it in Word. Okay? If I send an edit link, it will allow my partner to edit it, and if they choose to edit in the browser, they will automatically have tools that they can respond, participate in the conversation, help me with the project, or peer edit my work. So whenever you open a document online that you have a Can Edit link for, you can use the Review tab to make some comments to let your partner know what they need to make changes in. So if my formatting here is not the way Dr. Parker has required, I could put new comment and put change format. Or if my title needs some work, I could come down here, I could highlight the title, and I could add another comment here. Notice that I have a word that is misspelled that I'm noticing here. So I might go over here and do a spelling and grammar check, or I might just highlight that and add a comment. Check your spelling. When you get your essay back from your partner with their comments, it might look like this. You might not actually even see any of these tabs open, but you will see these little comment indicators. And as you click on the comment indicator, it will pop open that window for you to see each of the comments as you click on them so that you can go in and make changes as necessary. You can also reopen that Review tab and click Show Comments in order to see all of them. You can easily navigate between comments using Previous and Next as you make changes, and after you have changed something, you can go in and delete that comment. So that's how you're going to actually use Word Online to share your essay and to review and edit someone else's essay. Now, another important feature in this is the email component. Whenever you click Share and you invite people into your document, when I typed in Dr. Parker's name, she received an email very similar to this one that says the message that I wrote to her, and then it says open, and then the title of the article is in blue. The article or the essay or the document that you want to open, you actually have to click on the blue link, the title of the document. So when I go in and close out all the things that I've done already, or when Dr. Parker goes in to open that email, she clicks on that title, it will automatically bring her into that essay. Notice again that my comments are still there. The ones that I didn't delete are still there and visible, and when I click on it, I can see what was said. If this is a collaborative document where all users are using the Can Edit feature in the online browser, all of these changes that are happening, all of these comments that are being made are happening in real time. And so when the original author opens this document again, they will automatically see any changes, any comments that have been made. If you are using a view link and if you're having to save an additional copy, you would just once again save it to OneDrive, open it online, and do the same step that we did originally, sharing it back with the original author by typing in that person's name. If you are the editor and you are sharing this information back with the original author, there's no reason why you wouldn't send a Can Edit link unless your teacher tells you otherwise.